Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to copy an Excel sheet to the same workbook or to a new one. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's start. If you need to create a copy of a worksheet with the same workbook, follow these steps. Select the desired sheet, press and hold Ctrl button, then drag the worksheet to where you want, or right-click on the worksheet and in the menu that appears, select Move or Copy. Next, we will create a copy of current worksheet by checking the Create a Copy checkbox and clicking OK. If you need to copy data to a new workbook, go to the Move or Copy menu and select the desired workbook right here. Then we copy the selected current sheet exactly as we did in the first case. Just remember that the new workbook must be open, otherwise it will not appear in this menu. And if you select the new workbook option, Excel will immediately create a new document into which the sheet you selected will be copied. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.